A blinking red light on your smoke detector can mean several different things. Understanding these signals is crucial for your safety and the proper functioning of your device. Most commonly, a steady blinking red light indicates your detector is functioning correctly. This regular flash shows the unit is powered and actively monitoring for smoke. A blinking red light accompanied by chirping sounds typically indicates low batteries. This is one of the most common reasons for a blinking light and requires immediate attention. During an actual alarm, a rapid blinking red light, along with the alarm sound, indicates the detector has sensed smoke. In interconnected systems, the detector that triggered the alarm will show this rapid red blinking. Sometimes, a blinking red light indicates maintenance is needed. This could mean dust or debris has accumulated in the sensor chamber, or it's a reminder to test your alarm regularly. Some kitty models feature an alarm memory function. After detecting smoke, the detector continues to flash red to show which unit triggered the alarm. This helps identify the location of the incident. Finally, a blinking red light may indicate your smoke detector has reached the end of its lifespan. Smoke detectors should be replaced every 10 years for optimal safety and performance. Remember, different manufacturers may use different blinking patterns. Always consult your specific device's manual to understand exactly what the red blinking light means for your model. When you encounter a blinking red light on your smoke detector, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue. Battery replacement is often the solution for blinking red lights. Use high-quality batteries and replace them immediately when the low battery warning appears. Regular cleaning prevents dust and debris from interfering with your smoke detector's sensors. Use a vacuum cleaner to gently remove accumulated particles from the detector's chamber. Monthly testing ensures your smoke detector functions properly. Press and hold the test button until the alarm sounds, confirming the detector is working correctly. Follow this maintenance schedule to keep your smoke detectors in optimal condition. Test monthly, clean quarterly, replace batteries annually, and replace the entire unit every 10 years. Proper placement is crucial for effective smoke detection. Install detectors outside sleeping areas, inside bedrooms, and on every level of your home, following manufacturer guidelines for optimal positioning. If troubleshooting steps don't resolve the blinking red light and there's no lingering smoke, consider professional service or replacement. Remember that smoke detectors have a 10-year lifespan and should be replaced accordingly.